Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking. And we are meeting the very first time. Would you introduce yourself? I want to know about you.
Yes, ma'am. I am from Saranpur, UP. My name is Puspa. I have two children. Both are grown up and settled. And my husband is policeman. I am housewife.
Okay.
What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. I will introduce myself. I'm Chitra. I was born and brought up in Pondicherry, but I'm currently living in Kolkata. I have been living here for the past 5 years. I have completed masters in management. I worked in corporate sector in various fields, especially marketing and management. And now I quit my job because of my family responsibilities. I'm married. I'm a mother of two children. And as for my hobbies, it changes day by day. Nowadays, I love to learn languages, especially Hindi and Bengali. And I love talk to strangers in English. That's all about me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which medium are you from?
I have finished my education all from English medium only.
Oh, ma'am, that's great. I am also Hindi medium student in my past.
Okay, and I want to know about you because why you need English in this age? Are you passionate about this language and any purpose for learning this language? Would you tell me something about that?
I am passionate about this language. I love this language since my childhood, but
Mhm.
I didn't any chance that time. I got a chance from YouTube. That's why I started learning this language.
Super, super, ma'am. Because I think age is just a number. You are learning this language in this age. It's a really appreciable thing, right?
Yes,
Then how long have you been practicing English? How long have you been practicing English?
I started my speaking part only 1 month ago,
Mm-hmm.
and grammar and vocabulary part I started 2 years ago.
Okay.
I haven't taken any class from anywhere.
Okay, okay.
I learn by myself from social media.
Okay, social media. It's a good thing. And how long have you been using this app for learning your English? I think you are
Yes,
new to this app, right?
yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Means Skype.
Yes, yes.
I joined in December
Oh, nearby only. Just
2024.
1 month.
Yes,
Okay. Hmm.
yes,
Do you have
ma'am.
any question?
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. Tell me some tips and tricks how to enhance my spoken skill level.
Definitely, I will tell you. First of all, you are learning this language is a definitely good thing, and there are so much of unique technique, especially for English. But I always recommend to everyone, especially for LSW or method. That is a really good method because we have to think English is just. I think it's a kind of language. We have to speak to other person. That's it. So don't think English is just, kind of any subject or anything. Don't think like that. We have to speak on daily conversation. We have to make some real life conversation. That's it. But you have to listen at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes any English related podcast. Do you listen any kind of podcast or videos?
Yes, ma'am. I listen uh, conversation video, rapid fire video, grammar video, etc. All content I like to prefer in English.
Definitely. And you have to listen at least 5 minutes video, but one video you have to pick any one video, but you have to watch it in multiple times. Okay. Don't you have
Yes.
to watch in a day, two, three, four, don't watch so much of videos on regular basis. You have to pick only one video, but you have to watch it on multiple times, actually two to three times. Because when you watch these kind of times, subconsciously you memorize those sentences, even some new words also. So that definitely could help to you. And another one is speaking part. Already you are doing the right thing, but you have to speak at least 1 hour. That is the good thing for you because you have to speak something, but whatever you have to think, you have to make a sentence in front of others. That is the good thing. That is, it's a good journey also. Do you like reading? Do you read any kind of books?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind
Sudhamurthy's
of
book.
books?
I read only one paragraph and write in the morning.
Okay, superb. Already you are doing very good job because many people say I don't like to read. They don't like reading because I also don't like reading. But nowadays I start reading some kind of books. I must say Sudha Murthy ma'am is one of the best book author because everyone can read that book because the word is so simple and we can easily understand what she's saying. So that's why it's one kind of good book, definitely. And the last one, do you like to read anything or do you like to write anything for daily routine or something?
Yes, ma'am. Sometime.
Sometime, but I think you have to write at least 5 to 6 lines in a day on regular basis. Don't skip in a day. Because when we have to write something, we have to think all the things, what we have in mind. So then we have to write it. So definitely it's good for you.
When we will try to write something, we get this way vocab.
Hmm. Well, actually, ma'am, I would say new word. You don't push yourself to learn at least 5 new words, 10 new words. Definitely, it's difficult for anyone. I would suggest only one word in a day. That is enough. When you have to learn one word and then end of the day you have to write at least 5 to 10 lines, you have to make some sentences, then only you don't forget that new word forever. Suppose you have to learn 5 new words or 10 new words in a day, I think 2 to 3 days later definitely you will forget that new word.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot.
Yeah, because when if I learn at least 5 to 10 words in a day, suppose if I want to make conversation, I forget the new word and how to make that new word to sentences. Definitely, it won't work for me. So I always do only one word in a day, and at least I have to make 5 to 6 lines sentences with the help of the new word. And the next day I will remember each and every word, and then I again revise those sentences and new word also.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
if all the things you have to do it together within 3 to 4 months, your English level is up to the mark. But the one thing you have to do it on regular basis, you need consistency, even discipline also. But definitely it's a difficult task. But if you are interested to learn this language, you have to do it. That's what I
Yes,
will do.
ma'am.
You have to do
Consistency
that.
and
Mhm.
determination is important learning this language.
Definitely. And then, do you like movies or series? What do you watch?
No, ma'am.
You don't like any English web series or Hollywood movies?
I haven't started yet watch this type of content.
But you have to watch. You have to watch some any web series or movies. When you have to watch this kind of movies or web series, you can create some interest to watch it on regular basis. You will learn some new words, even new sentences from native speakers. Because we all are speaking English, but whatever it is, we have to compare to native speakers. Their English is totally different because that is their mother tongue. No, whatever it is, my mother tongue Tamil, but English is my second language. But compared to native speakers, that is their first language. So they are speaking in a correct way and the stylish, even accent also we have to follow it. So you have to watch maybe 10 to 15 minutes. You will like to watch that and you get some interest also.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes
That's
when you have free time, you have to watch it. And
yes, ma'am.
then what do you do? What do you do? Do you improve your English?
I watch only conversation video. Uh, that's yeah.
That's it. Mm. Do you speak English with your kids?
No, ma'am. My kids don't live with me. They live
Okay.
outside because of their job.
Okay. They all got married, settled there?
No, ma'am. They are doing their job. Both are married.
Married. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Then what do you do in your free time?
I like only watching English video.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Good to know about you, ma'am, because everyone settled in your
Ma'am, I am
family.
so passionate about this language. I want to learn. Want to be become fluent.
Definitely, ma'am, but you have to do it on regular basis. Be consistent and do it on within a proper time. Definitely, you will achieve your fluency within a short period of time.
Ma'am, I don't skip my any single day. I
Hmm.
practice on regular basis.
I will tell you one thing. You are speaking very good English. Um, you are not making that much of grammar mistakes also because your fluency is also good. Because when you are speaking, you have very beautiful smile. So I can see you. Already you are in good because of your English. But you have to just improve little bit. You have to speak more. You are speaking only one line, right? You have to speak at least try to speak 3 to 4 lines. That's it. Because you are speaking good. Don't
In a way,
worry about you. Hmm.
in a row, I try to speak 2 and 3 sentence.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am. I will tell you one thing. I will give you one topic. Simple topic. You have to talk on the topic at least 3 to 4 lines. You have to try it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give you? Shall I give you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very simple topic. You have to speak about your family. That's it. You have to think at least 1 minute and then speak, but you have to speak at least 4 to 5 lines. Okay.
Can I tell anything?
Yeah, about your husband, your family, your kid, your daily routine, whatever it is, but you have to speak at least 5 to 6 lines.
My husband is a good person. He helps me doing household chores, means making food, washing clothes, etc. All work. He helps me. And my daughter is a very good daughter. When I was ill, I am ill. I has been ill since 2009. My daughter did my all work. Means she take me medicine, washing my clothes, and take bath, everything. And my son also equal her his father and her sister.
Hmm.
He doing all work same his father and her sister. He loves me a lot. All 3 members.
Hmm.
They talk to me daily basis in the morning and evening time.
Hmm.
Both are three are living outside due to their job. My daughter has been married for 3 years. She is banker. My son is policeman and my husband is policeman. That's all about all three members.
Okay, super. Because you have done a great job. I think you have covered almost 10 to 12 lines. Because you are speaking so good. After I send you this video to you, okay, you can check it once because you are speaking so good because you have covered everything. And I want to tell you one thing, your son also police, right?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
because of this hard work, because you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done everything for your family. I think so. You are so hardworking. You are so humble. So that's why have a beautiful family and you have done everything for your family. Definitely appreciate you because definitely your husband maybe will see this video. He will appreciate you. He feel very happy about you. I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
You are speaking so good.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, how long have you started your channel?
Okay.
He has gone.
Okay. Okay. About my YouTube channel journey, I will tell you. I have a daughter. She is just 7 years old. She
Yes,
always told me she want to do something on this platform, but I said no. But finally, I said we have to open a new YouTube channel. Then we have to upload some kind of video. Finally, she said okay. So that's what I started this YouTube channel almost 1 month. From January
yes,
onwards,
ma'am.
I've started this channel.
Yes, ma'am. I saw your that video in which you said this thing.
Mm,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
it.
She is school going girl. She learn quickly.
Yeah, and also, in her school, she has lot of friends, especially Gujaratis, Marwadis, Bengalis, Hindi speaking person. She knows every language. But I'm
Yes, ma'am.
always at my home, so I don't have any friends here. So that's why I'm struggling to learn that language, especially Bengali. But when I go out, I want to buy something and I want to buy some fruits, vegetables, something like that. I have to make some small conversation with that vendor. But initially, I said I don't know this language. So that's why they can help me some sentences. Even you have to say like that. Don't say like that. So this kind of thing, I'm learning little bit. Especially I'm beginner to Bengali and Hindi also.
You will learn definitely by your daughter.
Yeah, whenever I go out, I always take my daughter with me. I ask so many questions. Hey, what is that? What she is telling? Tell me. What he is telling? Tell me. She said this and that like that. She's so good in each and every language.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, how many languages do you know?
My mother tongue Tamil, and I'm talking to English, and I'm beginner to Bengali and Hindi. I'm learning little bit. Maybe 1 or 2 years later, maybe I will get little bit fluency with that two languages.
I know only Hindi language properly, little bit English.
No, no, you know Hindi. You know any other language?
No, ma'am, only English, little bit.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Because Hindi is my native language.
Hmm.
That's
Okay.
why. Because, ma'am, English is very important language. If I have to go somewhere where no one knows about English, how to survive that place, that's why I want to learn this language.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, it's very important because we want to make conversation with others only in the way of English sometimes. Yeah, I understood.
Because other state doesn't have a Hindi language. They have their only language.
Yeah,
That's why.
okay. Okay, thank you so much. And we have free time, so definitely I will contact you. And we have a very good conversation. It was nice conversation with you, first of all. So all the best for your English journey. You have to speak on regular basis. You have to practice your English with all co-learners also. Okay, thank you so
Yes, ma'am.
much.
I try to only daily basis connect to one person.
Okay, okay. 1 or 2% in a day,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely. You have to speak on regular basis and you have to try some movies, web series also. You have to read
Yes,
something.
ma'am.
You have to do all together. Will get your English level, definitely you get fluency within a short period of time. I believe on that.
Yes. I start watching serial and movie.
Okay. You have to start watching everything, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Give me your precious time.
Thank you so much. Thank
I
you.
would
Bye.
like to again have a conversation with you.
Definitely, definitely. You will message me. I will connect you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye.